Welcome to Joowon ToyShow! Today is Splash Queen's birthday, so I got her little sister. She will so like it. Yeah, we're waiting for her. And I will get this toy. And he likes mermaids. I just want to say here. So he likes mermaids, so I get his fin. Was like a fin. He never get this fin before. I want this fin, but it was a baby, so I can't fit. And here's my toy. He's so cute. So what do I spy? I spy a my eye. I don't know what to look. Something shiny. Trying to find it. Shiny. Is it my little sister? No. Wait. Is that your horn? Yeah. So, I spot in my something luggage. A luggage. Where is it? It's in your back. Wow! Let's open it. How do you open this? So yeah, we can press this button, but what about this is the all together? Let's open Jet Set Q.T. luggage. Wait, I did it wrong way. I did it. Oh, Jet Set Q.T. Jet Set Q.T. Woo! Here it is, Jet Set Q.T. Okay, let's take this off. Okay, here's our. I think this is her. Whoa, Jet Set Q.T. This is a sticker. Cool. And she travels all around with eating pizza. He's eating pizza. Pizza time. Pizza party time. I don't know what that is. Okay. Now let's open the. Yeah! Woo! I'm here, guys. Here's her Jet Set Q.T. I don't need this. Whoa, that's so cool. We can take this off. We can get away. Guys, I need some clothes, guys. I'm so cold. Yeah, let's get him clothes. Now we have to find number 2. Boom, boom, boom. Whoa, her copy mug. But that didn't help. Wait, is this a color changing thing? I don't know. Let's give her a bottle. Hey. Her outfit is so cool. Okay, now his wearing is so disastrous. I want my always outfit back. Okay, I will wear him super fast. I think, I want to get this. Oops. Okay, there's a wet spot. What is that doing? Why there's a wet spot? Why is a wet spot over here? Maybe there's something paint. Weird. I don't know. Okay. Now he needs some shoes. Yeah, he needs some shoes. Open his head. Boom. Boom. Okay. Ooh. Wait. These are new. Wait, I said it would never come. Woo. Oh, we have this too. Look at this. See, but this details are different. Let's put his shoes on. I was wrong, and that's all, and, oh yeah, now it's all dressed up, and now it's my turn. Yeah, open. Her bag! It looks like a treat open bag. Here's your suitcase. Okay, now, 6. Is that 9 or 6? Oh, this is 6. We see it was like 9. I don't know. 6. Oh, it's a cheetah swimsuit. Cool. Let's do 7. What's 7? 7. Oh my heart. Oh my gracious. Gosh. You're the fluffiest people the whole time. Okay, we got 7 out. And now her whippy pants. Wait, I can't wait. He has whips on. Is these paints? So let's dress him. I know. Let's take this off with her. Now, so we can wear her some shoes. So let's put some shoes. And let's put her always outfit. And let's put her skirt. But I think I do it the wrong way. Oh, wait, no. I think I have to put it like this. Yeah, baby! Woo! Let's put it like this. I think it's more younger than me. I think now it's my turn. Okay, I think this is 8. That means it's 9. 9. Her shoes are so beautiful. Guys, why? Your helper fell down. It's okay. It's so fine. It's okay. It's okay. Let's put her cheetah print on it. Now he's really confident, except for her glasses. Yeah, I opened it, so it's your turn. Yeah. You finding eBay. Cool. Let's put this over here. Now, what you guys heard? I'm gonna go first. Okay, 10, I was 11. Whoa, this is super small. Oh, sorry. Whoa, what? Take it. Oh, I can't believe it. Is there I will wear this? No, this is mine, actually. Oh, please. No, this is mine. This is mine. Okay, yours ugly. And not ugly, duh. Oh, wait, why are we like fancy, guys? Because today is fancy birthday party likes fancy all day. Let's see fancies. So, how'd you know that? Just kidding. Wait, how did I take that? Is this the beautifulest? Let's take this off and show Willie. Is that how I mean? Because I like, guys, I'll show my favorite channel on the Joowon ToyShow. I'm hopping a bunny. Easter, bunny, Easter. Ah! Easter. Ah! Easter. Ah! Easter. Ah! There's so many holes. I found this. Oh! I just whipped this. I have to put that up there again. Okay. Her skirt is the... Wait. Come on, get down! I think her thingies are falling down, I guess. Wait. I think that's translucent. That's cool! Okay. Oh, you whipped this. Look at this cute with a shirt. Yay! I found it. So cheetah. Is it cheetah? Her new boots. I like these boots so much. Look at these boots. These are cute boots. I didn't know where to put. I had to put over here. Your turn. So you open 15. You have to go open. This is my favorite cheetah print one. This is not cheetah print. There we go. Add open code. Is this a bag? It is. It's so cool. Okay, and everyone just got a shade. I just have to put her. This is perfect for her gift. What? Nothing. Okay, you open that, so I'll open this one. This one is gonna be so cute. Oh, don't believe it. Oh, she has shorties. We have lots of shorties on our live. I don't put that on. Stand over here, yeah. And what do I gotta open? Oh wait, what I gotta open? I'm just gonna sleep. Don't sleep. This is the phone number. I found this. Guys, you have to focus, guys. Oh, what do I have? This glittery epic shirt. I said epic. I don't know why. I just gotta whip up this. Okay, I think Seashell is falling down. So now it's your turn. 25, okay. Now we open that one, so I have to open this one. Open this. Let's open it. This is always so exciting. I found a top. That means that wood don't belong to. I have to put this over here. This is rolling down. This is rolling down. Put this on the game. Oh, I find 20. Oh, finally. So small. Whoa. What do I have? These ties. These are magnormouses. What are you talking about? You opened 20, now I have to open 21. Now I now have backpack. What is in her backpack? What do I have? I have a mannequin. I have to put like this. Ow. We gotta put like this. Look at this. It's a beautiful necklace. I want that. Ooh, so like that. Okay, and 22. I found it. What do I have? This is a match. Match our bag. Oh, he just go to the adventure. That's what he go to when all of them are traveling down. Yeah. Pizza. Hello. Okay. Ooh, these pants are cool. Okay, let's. And we don't need those unicorn pieces. We have to put like this. Shorts. So many details on LOL. I don't know why there's so many details on LOL. I want to do that. Okay, let's open for here. So I have to be more careful. Okay, this is a beautiful. Of course I have to be careful, but I didn't. But still. Oh, I think this is my favorite dress. I just want to try that, but I can't. Okay, I think I'm not built for that. That's so ugly. Who wears those? Is this the last one? Oh, is it? It's the last one. So, let's see the last one. A pizza. Ooh, a piece of pizza. It's a mystery. You know the traveling? Hey, why is here? So we found him. So he's the lost kitty, like her paws. Oh yeah, I just saw that so mysterious thing. Now you have to try everything now. Yay! What? I'm going where? You're going to the birthday party. You know I like birthday parties. Fancy birthday party, not those ripping thingies on your... fancy outfits. Come on me. Yeti, Pushy, Sai, Daddy, Daddy, Wee. I will stop. Okay, let's try this beautiful dress. I think that's going to be perfect for our birthday party. Let's wear this. And I will wear my piece of pizza hat. You're so beautiful at that dress. Oh no, the birthday party's starting. So this is your present. What my present is? What's my present is? Your present. Wait. This. Oh, thank you. Thank you for giving that. Thank you. And this is your pie. So here's your fishtail. I'd try those. I just want to be. Yes, I have to be like my mom and dad. I didn't mean. Yay, now Now I can learn how to do swimming now. I always wear these shoes, but thank you so much. Who's next? I was just Her Majesty. I'm nervous. I have to give all my dresses. I have one idea. You like these, and I like these dresses. Oh no. Thank you. Who's next? Me. So what present? Oh, your princess. Oh, this is beautiful. And my own little sister. I just want that now. Put it there. Next one. Hello, I just have one present. I'm so sorry, but I think you like these. Is that my dress? Yeah, we can match together. You want these? We can be friends and we can get a piece of pizza like my head. Of course, I like pizzas. Thank you so much. I think they're married together. Let's hang out together. Oh, dun dun dun! shouldn't open her. It is a disaster. This is a disaster. This is gonna be so crazy. I've been doing this so crazy. Yeah. You wanna be my love, Oni? Yeah. Oh no! Jet Set Q.T turned to a boy! No! Splashing guard to turn to a boy! What is happening here? Fire it! Fire time! We have to kill that Jet Set Q.T! Kill! No way! Oh, hey! Why doesn't want to kill him? Because he just break love. Not love, we're just friends. But you guys are a boy! You guys are boy! Disaster! Ow, hey! Hey! Jet Set Q.T, kill! I'm Jet Set Q.T. Yeah, I don't know. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you subscribe, like. So, I'll tell you a question. What give you? Okay. This hat. What suitcase it comes? Me, like number 1, number 16 or 25. Tell you in the comments.